All right, so today is Saturday, October the 14th. We survived. Jason didn't get us. Aha. Yes, no, Jason didn't get us. Or Araxeli either. Araxeli with her broken ankles. Anyways, we are on our way to Ontario. There is the yearly truck show. Here it is. You can't see too much. Okay, there it is. We have missed it for the past like 5 years. If you are a trucking company owner, operator, own a whole company, dispatch in the whole the biz, pues, you get invitation only. So we are on our way. Hope it's a good event. Every year I just see about it. This year I hope to be about it. So vamos viendo. And I, of course, will be covering it because it is a cool event. And I got the Barbie Tejana right there. Haha. Okay, vámonos.
Right here, one spot that opened up. Alright, thank you.
Okay, we made it here. This is the Ontario Convention Center parking. And yeah, hay mucha raza. Let's check it out.
Come under your bed.
Okay, so here we are. We parked. We're across the street. Got the crew. Everybody's ready. Let's see what the heck is going on. It is called the Truck Super Show. I have no idea what's even in here. I do want to make it out to the Vegas show where they do the drag races out there with the big trucks and there's like fire and smoke and all that desmadre. But hey, we'll start here a ver qué hay. Like I said, I've never been to this before. This is, I think, the 5th year I've gotten an invitation and first time we make it out. So, vamos viendo. Side note, I came ready for action.
You guys together? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, is it recording?
Yep.
Just you get one or
Yeah, father, we're all together.
So it's like everything that goes with
Thank you. You're so nice, Sunny Bunny. Ooh, look at that.
So turn over here.
Look at that kid's been hanging on for a minute and 9 seconds. There's some little kid over there, and it's like he's holding onto a bar. He's been holding onto it for a minute and 9 seconds.
Oh no.
Hey, look at little sister's check off.
I appreciate it. That's the question of the day, isn't it? Where do you watch your
Should have brought a poster saying I'm looking for this.
How you doing?
Mama. Ooh, hot.
We need one of
We do. Don't touch.
Time is coming. Get everybody over there. So I should be standing in that booth. Okay, so we're in here. It's not what I expected. It's everything that has to do with trucks, so that's still good. Different experience, I guess. Check it out. They're hanging kids off this bar.
Sunny, are you ready? You're gonna do that? Go, Sunny. Yeah, Sunny.
And I told her, but she has no clue what she looks like.
You ready, Sunny?
I know.
12 seconds.
What happened?
Yay!
Okay, this is another part back here.
Yeah.
That little green one coming. Look. That one in the little yard over there in the little house.
It's one of the nice things about it. We try to only do once a day for a group. It's okay.
Spending this and that, and trucks and trailers, tires, everything. The little kids in the new truck over there.